Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi, it's time for our Hakka lesson right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and it is time for 每月一言。
明月一言。
明月一言。That's our phrase of the month. And this is one of my favorite segments because you get to learn a lot more about the culture. And there's a lot of idioms that you can learn, which is kind of nice to say sometimes. It makes you sound educated. 其实有时候讲这些比较这种俗语的东西啊，会听起来你博学多闻。
哎，
对对对，
懂有好摸呢。
哎，对，需要多一点这样子的这个气氛在才对啊。所以今天要教我们的是什么呢 ，Alice？
一胎夫牛強出師。二胎夫作廚唔作煲，三胎夫唔食師傅。
Oh, that's a very long sentence right there. 我們從頭再來一次。
一胎夫。
一胎夫是什麼？
一代夫。
Okay, so that first phrase right there, it means the first generation of wealth. Okay.
牛強出師。
牛強出師，這完全不知道什麼意思。
如果是按照字面上，它是咬姜。錯處有沒有？
Okay.
東上天嘛。
啊，對 that means they're very hardworking and they know how to save. And then
二胎夫。
二胎夫 that means the second generation of wealth.
作廚唔作煲。
作廚唔作煲，這又是什麼意思？
穿那種絲綢的東西不穿布。
Oh, okay. So by second generation, they're riding on their wealth already, and what they do is they really spend a lot of money, I guess, and they wear silk instead of cloth. So they're really living their time.
就指他穿着比較講究了。
對對對。然後呢？
三胎夫。
三胎夫 by the third generation of wealth.
唔識師傅。
唔識師傅，你不用講，我大概知道應該是就是開始不好了嘛，對不對？
唱起來比較不懂得勤儉持家啦，然後就是按照自己喜歡的事情去做就對了。
然後也不太管其他的事情，這樣子。Okay, so by the third generation, these people they're resting on their laurels and they don't really care about the important things in life, and of course that's the downfall of their wealth. So I guess this is a phrase to remind people to really save up 啊，這應該是要平常不管你是哪一代的話，應該都要能省錢就省錢。
省吃儉用，牛強出師。
And that does it for our phrase of the month. And until next time, we'll learn something else again.
什麼太假？
俺只 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.